So guys, here you don't have to like have a perfect batter ni hii mixture. Lumps are around. In fact, lumps are really nice for fluffy pancakes. Yeah, so my batter is ready. Imagine it's ready, and this could be really the best breakfast you could ever prepare for your husband, your friends, family. Twende sasa kwa moto yetu, and we prepare them. Yeah, and that's it. This is our mixture. So you preheat your pan kidogo. Then the thing I love with these pancakes, you don't have to use mafuta mingi, mafuta tu kidogo. Then moto yako ifai kuwa nyingi, low heat. So let's see how it's gonna be. This is my first pancake. Love it. So guys, when you see the bubbles, just know that it's time to flip. And let's flip our food. Yes! Wow! Can you just see the way it's glowing? Man, inakaa fiti. Fluffy pancakes. So here you can just add some little oil. Wow, this is so amazing. Imagine, and just like that, it's done. It's done, it's done, it's done. And finally, voila, churros! My pancakes are super ready, looking all yummy. So fluffy, guys, as you can see. Let me show you at a closer angle. So this is it. Try to cut, as you can see. It's so fluffy. Man, I'm telling you, I think you just eat 2 of this and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell so that usipitwe na anything I'm going to post. And meanwhile, let me enjoy my fluffy pancakes.